Be ready? Start. The respondent who was employed as a teacher under the government of Haryana claimed advance increments in terms of Punjab government memo dated 1st September 1960. Stop. The Director of Secondary Education Haryana rejected the claim on the premise that in terms of Rule 10 of the Punjab Education Service Class 3 Rules 195, the pay scales of the teachers were subject to variation from time to time, and since the state of Haryana revised the pay scales of various categories of teachers 1st December 1967 memo dated 1st September 1960 stood superseded. Stop. He also observed that higher start of pay with advance increments for postgraduate qualification was provided only to masters or mistresses and not to other categories of teachers. Stop. The High Court allowed the writ petitions and directed that the respondent to given advance increments in terms of the Punjab government memo and the letter of the government of Haryana. Stop. Aggrieved, the state of Haryana filed the appeal. Stop. Stanza. The teacher employed under the government of Haryana could claim benefit of the higher pay scales, advance increments, etc. in terms of the policy decision taken by the government of undivided Punjab and instructions issued by it only till the revision of their pay scales, which were made effective from 1st December 1967 and not thereafter. Stop. The question of revision of pay scales of the teachers employed under the government of Haryana was considered by the Education Commission, which is also known as Kothari Commission. Stop. The recommendations made by that commission were accepted by the President of India and were implemented by the state government with effect from 1st December 1967. Stop. After a revision of the pay scales of various categories of teachers, the government of Haryana issued instructions for grant of monetary benefits in the form of personal pay to those government servants who improved their qualifications by undertaking further studies within the country and abroad. Stop. Further, by letter, all the existing instructions were superseded and fresh instructions were issued on the subject. Stop. However, the decisions contained in letter and other related communications were withdrawn by the state government by their letter. Stop. The High Court erred in accepting the plea of the respondents that revision of the pay scales of teachers with retrospective date did not result in automatic supersession of the existing policy decisions. Stop. Stanza. It was further pointed out that even though the petitioner was advised to improve interpersonal relationship and teamwork skills, her overall assessment was evaluated as very good. Stop. Stanza. The next component of the writ petition is devoted to the allegations levelled against respondent number 3, Justice A. Stop. It is asserted that on 8th September 2011, the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate of X called the petitioner on her landline. Stop. During her conversation, she informed the petitioner that respondent number 3, Justice A, was eager that the petitioner should perform a dance on an item song on the occasion of Ladies Sangeet on 10th December 2011 during the festivities of the 25th marriage anniversary of respondent number 3. Stop. It is also the assertion of the petitioner that she politely refused the invitation by giving cut that she had prior commitments for that date stop. It is short to be asserted by the petitioner that for reasons of official protocol she felt compelled to attend the main marriage anniversary celebration scheduled for 11th December stop. It is pointed out that she ventured to do so in the company other two daughters stop. It is alleged by the petitioner that on 11th December 2011, respondent number 3, Justice A, came close to her and whispered in her ear that she missed the opportunity of viewing her secretary and beautiful figure dancing on the floor stop. It was the petitioner's assertion that respondent number 3 also told the petitioner that he wished she could see her dancing stop. The petitioner claims that she was appalled by the above behavior of respondent number 3 and therefore she left the party along with her two daughters with tears in her eyes stop. The factual position narrated above pertaining to the telephonic conversation with the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate has been denied by respondent number 3 stop. For this, respondent number 3 has appended the affidavit of the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate as annexure R16 with his counter affidavit stop. In her affidavit, it is inter alia asserted that she had neither called the petitioner on 8th December 2011 nor had she told the petitioner that respondent number 3, Justice A, was eager to watch her perform a dance on an item song stop. The other assertions at the behest of the petitioner narrated in the foregoing paragraph have been denied by respondent number 3 stop stanza. The girl had expressed a marked reluctance to stay with her father stop. The High Court was of the opinion that the children had developed long-standing affection towards their maternal grandfather, aunt and uncles stop. It will take a while before they develop the same towards their stepmother stop. The sex of the minor girl who would soon face the difficulties of attaining adolescence is an important consideration though not a conclusive one stop. She will benefit from the guidance of her maternal aunt if custody is given to the respondent which the appellant will in no position to provide stop. Further, there is a special bonding between the children and it is desirable that they stay together with their maternal grandfather, uncles and aunt stop stanza. In case of custody of the minor children, the family law, the Mohammedan law would apply in place of the Act stop. Considering the provisions under section 353 of the Mohammedan law, the High Court had held that the preferential rights regarding the custody of the minor children rests with the maternal grandparents stop. After making a doubtful proposition that in case of a conflict between personal law and welfare of the children, the former shall prevail, the High Court held that in the case at hand there is no such conflict stop. For the reasons aforementioned, the High Court by its impugned order set aside the order of the Family Court Bangalore which vacated the interim injunction issued against the appellant stop. It is this order of the High Court which is challenged before us by way of special leave petition which on grant of leave has been heard by us in the presence of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the parties stop. It was the contention of the appellant before us that the Act will apply to the present case before there is a conflict between the preferential guardian in Mohammedan law and the Act stop. It was pointed out that while deciding the custody of the minor children, the welfare of the children had to be taken into consideration and that it was guaranteed by the Act stop. They have placed their reliance on a case of Rajasthan stop. The Rajasthan High Court in the cited case held that where the provisions of personal law are in conflict with the provisions of Guardians and Wards Act, the latter shall prevail over the former. Stop stanza. Administrative officer cum assistant state public information officer respondent number 1 seeking information to the queries mentioned therein. Stop. The said application was rejected wide order dated 23rd November 2004 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed. Stop. Over.